shipping ticks the box, as Dagfinn said, when you've got a big corporate entity, one of the 3% that controls roughly a third of the global fleet, they can attract money quite easily because the bank can sit there as a secured lender, but with a broad exposure and can take a view through the cycles that the shipping markets inevitably go through. So their loss ratios are much less on an expected basis, and they'll form a view. When you get into smaller owners, it's then considered a small business loan. Sometimes they'll be described as commercial and industrial loans. The banks have to allocate even more capital to that activity, and then they're competing on a portfolio basis within the bank about where they can make money. So for us, as an investor on the secondary basis, that means the banks are basically disposing of assets and we're there feeding on this. There are a variety of different assets that they sell, from high-performing quality businesses that they decide to exit, to shipping, which has had quite a bit of troubled, non-performing assets in Europe. We have underwritten and bid on a number of those. There is plenty of competition there, and we found that they're pricing at returns that don't meet our return thresholds. Now, that's good news for the banks because they're able to dispose of these assets, rebuild capital, and it's good for the owners as well because it's actually putting you in a better position, I think, to sort out the problem and develop your financing plan going forward. If you're with a quote-unquote zombie bank, it's difficult to do your business. When somebody like us or one of our competitors acquires a loan, we're typically on a different incentive structure where we want to work out the loan as quickly as possible. So that necessarily requires somebody to refinance you, and it'll be guys like us that are coming into the market and providing new finance. But I think people should think about it as an opportunity, right? When the loan trades, somebody's bought it at a deep discount that gives the owner the ability to agree with a new lender on a discounted payoff, clear the debt, and move forward.